Bitcoin is currently dumping, and we got some bullish event that you don't want to miss. Hi everyone, I am Aman. Welcome back. Let's dive straight into this video. आज हम बात करेंगे BTC dumping and some bullish event from the week. तो शुरू करते हैं BTC क्यों डंप हो रहा है, इसके पीछे क्या वजह है। सबसे पहले BTC miners have been selling a significant amount of BTC recently. In fact, over 1200 Bitcoin, which is worth more than 649 crore, have been sold recently. This is largely because of the Bitcoin halving. Generally क्या होता है, after every Bitcoin halving, miner will receive half the amount of Bitcoin for the same resource, which is computational power, electricity they used before the halving. To cope with this reduction, they need to upgrade their computational power. To fund these upgrades, that's why they are selling their Bitcoin reserve. This is one of the reason why Bitcoin is facing a selling pressure. दूसरा फैक्टर क्या है, जो FOMC स्टेटमेंट आया है, इवन थ्रो स्टेटमेंट पॉजिटिव था, ये इंडिकेट करता है कि फेडरल रिजर्व इस साल कम से कम एक बार इंटरेस्ट रेट कम कर सकता है। क्रिप्टो मार्केट ने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि इस साल 2 इंटरेस्ट रेट कट होंगे। पिछले हफ्ते का CPI और PPI डेटा भी फेवरेबल था। US स्टॉक मार्केट ऑल टाइम हाई पे है, लेकिन बिटकॉइन और दूसरी क्रिप्टो करेंसी पीछे चल रही है। However, once the market realize the dovish tone of FOMC, we might see a positive movement in the Bitcoin price. Here is everything you need to know about the FOMC plot. अगर हम इस प्लॉट को देखें, the FOMC dot plot show a mixed outlook among its members. If we see in the image, 4 members foresees 0 rate cut this year. 7 members expect 1 rate cut and 8 members anticipate 2 rate cut. If these cuts happen, it could potentially boost the Bitcoin price as well. अब चलिए फोकस करते हैं कुछ बुलिश इवेंट पे जो मार्केट को ऊपर ले जा सकता है। सबसे ज्यादा एंटिसिपेटेड इवेंट में से एक है इथेरियम ETF की पोटेंशियल अप्रूवल। गैरी गैंसलर, द SEC चेयरपर्सन, ही एक्सपेक्ट एन इथेरियम ETF S1 approved before the end of September. Even अगर हम दूसरे एनालिस्ट की बात करें, ब्लूमबर्ग एनालिस्ट एरिक, he predicted it could launch as soon as July 2nd. This approval could act as a major bullish catalyst for the mid to a long term. As recently Bitcoin ETF attract approximately 1200 crore INR of net inflow in 5 months after the ETF trading went live and currently up by the 41% of now. आपको पता है क्या और भी इंटरेस्टिंग है? Here are few more bullish factors for the crypto market this year. It's an election year and historically market perform well during these times. Former President Trump has expressed pro-crypto sentiment which could influence the market if he win the next election. Aside from the Ethereum ETF expert, they are anticipating the wave 2 of the Bitcoin ETF inflow from the larger institutions and pension funds. Central bank outside the USA, especially Canada and Europe, have recently started cutting their rate and US might follow it soon. आखिर में चलिए जल्दी से बिटकॉइन के चार्ट पे नजर डालते हैं और देखते हैं टेक्निकल हमें क्या बता रहा है। Currently Bitcoin is showing some support around 57,97,000 level. If we hold this support, we might see a rebound, especially with the upcoming bullish event. However, if this support break, we could see a further downside to 53 lakh as a net support. It's a crucial junction, so keep your eye on these levels. So there you have it. Bitcoin might be dumping now, but there are plenty of bullish events ahead that could turn the things around. What are your thoughts on these developments? हमें comment में बताएं. If you want to trade crypto INR pairs with tax benefit, use our platform Pi42 Exchange. No 1% TDS, no 30% VDA taxes, set of loss allowed. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any update. Thanks for watching and see you next time with more interesting topic. तब तक के लिए let's crypto.